headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Y'all can't do it like me. No, y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. No, y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Check it like a pair of Nikes. I keep it rocking, I'm stopping, I'm popping, I jump in a fresh white tee. Oh, so now you make songs? Now you wanna sing along? I bet you do it all wrong. I am a king and you are a pawn. I've been talking about stocks, I've been giving out lots, pulling up like it was socks. This shit is heavy as rocks. You was just pulled out the docks. That mean you drowning, you looking around, and I know that you wanna be biting my style. Or you think you must be wild? I ain't aroused. That's just how I will get down. We were here first, knocking all the pics. You was in the back talking all the shit. We was grinding, making all the hits. Now you jealous and you can't stand it. Rich has been here, you ain't been there. Circle tight, yeah, you been square. It's time to open the letter. Hope you don't fall down the ladder. I know you tight, like to be frontin'. You was a troll, hit the like button, getting no dab. You think you can rap? I laugh. Please, let's see you write something. Stick to the script, can't do it like this. Look at the wrist with the assist. Ill is the kid, rockin' with Rich. Can't stop till I get a million hits. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Y'all can't do it like me. No, y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. No, y'all can't do it like me. I don't wanna say no names and you'll blow like propane, cause clout riding is so lame. My rhymes fresh like Colgate. It's funny you copy the whole thing. Scarecrow, you got no brain. You can test the boy, I got no shame. Crew looking like Soul Train. Look in the other direction. You are not part of the section. You do not make an impression. You should just change your profession. This is the years in the making. You can't just copy the page. This is experience, idiots. Listen, you can't just copy the wave. Nah, I'm just playing for keeps. Fucking with Rich TV. The platform is growing. I know that it's showing. We like 60,000 people deep. This original, no subliminal. We maximize, you minimal. This critical, analytical. You hysterical. This a miracle. You other cats are so boring. On your channel, I'm snoring. Why you hitting the recording? You should just die off horribly. Sick of the same old story. I think you triggered the light. Rich TV is here, and we much bigger than life. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Y'all can't do it like me. No, y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. No, y'all can't do it like me.
Hey guys, this is Rich from Rich TV Live. So I just got some level 2 market depth at TD Bank, and everyone's like, what does it look like, Rich? What is it like, Rich? So I wanted to actually just show you guys. So literally, this is the level 2 market depth. This is what level 2 looks like right now on MedMen. Okay, I have a chart of Aurora down on the bottom of the screen. You guys can take a look at, and this is the level 2 on. So this is live trading. This is the exact price right now of all of these stocks. Okay, so there's no delay here. There is only truth. Everything you see here is the real price that is trading at right now, okay? And we are watching the entire market. Yes, there's a bloodbath in the cannabis sector right now. We are aware of that. And this could be an amazing buying opportunity. What we're seeing now with a lot of stocks is they're already starting to come up, and they're already starting to bounce back after getting crushed earlier in the day. Now, not all of them, but some of them are starting to come back. Like, for example, CTST is already green after being red earlier in the day. So we're starting to see more green. This is a good sign, but it looks as though we are going to finish in the red today as a whole. But that's okay, because that happens in the market. You're going to have good days. You're going to have bad days. You're going to have red days. You're going to have green days. That just happens, right? So what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you guys the level 2 market depth, so that if you ever want to learn what level 2 is, this is TD Bank, and this cost me $59 a month to get access to level 2 on all the different stocks. Oh, I guess this is not a TSX Venture stock. Let's see. Do I get it on Vivo? AUSA. Yeah, AUSA, TSX Venture stock. Anything that's on the Canadian Securities Exchange. I don't really buy too many of those stocks, so I didn't buy that package, but I have the package for NASDAQ stocks, TSX stocks, and TSX Venture stocks. And those are pretty much the stocks that I own. I don't believe TD has the package for OTCQB. I was looking into that. I don't believe they have level 2 for that. So it's just level 1. But this is what level 2 market depth looks like. I mean, we could look at TD Bank, see where TD Bank is trading at. We can look at Goldman Sachs, see where Goldman Sachs is trading at. See the huge spread here? You can buy Goldman Sachs for 184 and you can sell it for 196. I mean, there's a huge spread there. So it's nice to see what level 2 looks like, because if you buy at market on Goldman Sachs, you're automatically buying at $1.96. When there's a bid up at 184, better to bid for it at 184 and then turn around and sell it at 196. You're literally making a spread right away, right? This is the beauty of level 2, is you can see where all the buys and the sells are coming in. You can see here with Facebook, it's at 166.17. On the bid, the offer is at 166.27 right now. Bid's at 166.22. So if you want to go and buy this stock, you could sit there and buy it at 166.22, and then you could go and turn it around at like 170, for example. So level 2 is a really good tool that I like to use to kind of watch stocks and get a better idea of the momentum, buying, selling, up or down, the amount of bids, the amount of asks, the size of the bids, the size of the asks, and just kind of watch all the momentum as it's happening. One of the stocks that's been going up is CanTrust, CTST, which just recently went to the senior exchange in America. And it's one of the only few cannabis stocks that I'm watching that's green right now. So is Labs. Labs is slightly green as well. But for the most part, almost all the cannabis stocks are red right now. So definitely a red day overall in the markets. Trying to just stay positive, not going to panic sell. I did buy 2 stocks today. I bought MedMen. Oh, wow, I'm back to my original price. I bought MedMen at $4.29 today. It went down all the way to $4.11. It's been as high as $4.48. I bought 3,000 shares, and I'm back to my original price of $4.29. So I'm feeling pretty good about that. When it went down, I was feeling kind of shitty, but I feel like I got in at a good price now. I'm back to my original price. So I'm watching, and more stocks are starting to go green right now. So I feel like the trend is reversing little by little here, and we're going to start seeing more and more stocks go green. But we'll see. We'll keep you updated on it. I wanted to show you guys. You want to hear Don't Panic? Yo, Dan, the IT guy, how you doing, bro? Yeah, I would suggest nobody panics right now. Another stock that's been bouncing back heavily is Village Farms. Village Farms went all the way down today to $16.76. It's back to $17.80. If you bought the dip, if you bought the bottom, you're up $1. My advice is don't panic. The trend is reversing. This might be a buying opportunity.
Money stay mingling. I'm just getting started, yeah, I'm trying to get the swing of things. You love the green, but you hate the red.
We are watching level 2. Get your popcorn ready. Sure looks like a resurrection now. After all that red, we're starting to see it climb. C-Web was at $25. It went down to $24. It's back to 26. IIPR went all the way down to 82. It's back to 86. I did not buy any more ACB, but I have 1,000 shares. I wish I waited till today to buy, but it is what it is.
I just mix it up like Shaka Khan. You stay tripping on the sides like a soccer mom. And when it's on, I transform like Decepticon. I can tell your whole future looking at the devil's palm. You're too weak, bro.
ACB is climbing at 1187. Was it a buying opportunity? ACB went as low as 1166. We're now at 1188. Will it climb? Are we going to have a bounce back? Oh, there go the offers. 1188's gonna go. Oh no, there's more offers. Don't panic, sell people. Don't. Oh, there we go. 188 by 189. Let's go, ACB. It's coming back. It's coming back. Oh, look at the bids grow, guys. 189s are about to go. Boom. 189 by 1189 by 1190. It's climbing. I'm feeling the trend reversing. I'm watching the trend reverse live. Will this continue? There is a war in the level 2. The market is a war zone, if you haven't noticed. And this is why I wanted to show you guys the level 2 of the war that's happening, of the buying and the selling. It's a war between the buyers and the sellers. And it's tough right now because the whole market is red. So it's very difficult to buy things when everything is red. You don't know what's going to happen. You don't know if it's going to go up. You don't know if it's going to go down. You don't know if it's going to just stay flat, if it's going to stay around. Nobody knows, but it's being very aggressive right now in the selling pressure today. You know, another one that I brought to you guys, BTG. It's not out here. BTG. B2 Gold. I brought this to you guys at 290. I told you guys when gold companies were, when they were down, I said, you know what, B2 Gold might be a good buy. I brought it to you guys at 290. It's now at 380. I haven't bought it yet, but I really liked it. I wish I picked it up at 290. It's now at 387. This is the level 2 on B2G. Really like this company. If you guys have any requests of stocks you want me to look at, please let me know. We'll pull it up on the screen. This is level 2 market depth, and it is live. This is live trading. I believe there will be another
Cannabis stocks
resurrection from these prices.
Brought to you by richtvlive.
The prices are already resurrecting from the low of the day.
Haters and they trolls, they're trying to.
Afria hit 12.18 today. It's back to 12.50.
Lawsuits on these companies. Meanwhile, what they're trying to do is create a distraction so we don't take advantage of the cannabis stock resurrection. That's really what's going on. That's the truth. This is your boy Rich, and I'm Mo. Peace. One day we gon' fly. We gon' make this money. We gon' live all life. A weekend or get high. I'ma spread my wings. I'ma feel alright. One day we gon' fly. We gon' make this money. We gon' live all life. A weekend or get high. I'ma spread my wings. I'ma feel alright. Shortest can't take us down. It's the time to buy and put your money in. Let the profits maximize. We the people stay.
Canopy was as high as $60. Now at $57.83. See the spread? The bid's at $57.79. Oh, it keeps changing. $57.79, offer $57.83. There's a little spread there. You don't want to buy at market. You want to sit on the bid. You want to sit in the bid, buy low, and then you want to sit on the offer, sell high. That's how you trade. This is why I wanted to show you guys level 2. This is how real traders trade, guys. They use these tools.
Because we on a mission. Teach the people they spreading lies, it's a contradiction. You want to make money, invest in the top cannabis stocks in Canada and the United States that are revenue generating. Invest in the best because the best is blessed. This is your boy Rich, and we're out. Peace.
So I bought Astralis in the red. I bought Medman in the red. I am now even on both trades.
I'm talking Jordan Belfort. Let's open up scenarios. Wolf of Wall Street, and I ain't talking about DiCaprio's. The man predicted markets. He knew it was going to explode. He knew it was making money, and he knew to crash your homes. Oh, yeah, these are the big boys. He also predicted the
Speaking
crash
of big boys,
that's a big short. Stop acting like a big dork. I'ma get this pie, no lie. I need a big fork. I know about the tactics. The short is making money off the people's backs. It's horseshit. I'm telling you, take caution. Everything is so corporate. I'm trying to make enough money to give to all the poor kids, and that is what the herb is for. Helping people feed the poor. All we need is life, so stop thinking that all you need is more. And now we here, but our past, yeah, we can't forget. It's time to grow, and you know we getting out of debt. One day we gon' fly, we gon' make this money, we gon' live our life. We can all get high, I'ma spread my wings, I'ma feel alright. One day we gon' fly, we gon' make this money, we gon' live our life. We can all get high, I'ma spread my wings, I'ma feel alright. The real Wolf of Wall Street loves cannabis stocks. Jordan Belfort believes in cannabis stocks. The new Wolf of Wall Street loves cannabis stocks. Rich TV Live loves and believes in cannabis stocks. The question is, do you believe in cannabis stocks, and will you achieve ultimate wealth through the cannabis stock revolution? It's true.
So the cannabis stocks have been through a weird day, up and down, but right now they are starting to turn around a little bit. I feel like there's a lot more momentum going back up, but it's going to finish red. Like, you know, you're at war, you kind of wave the white flag, you know, you just don't have the momentum today. You don't have the power to get through it. It's just one of those days. It's going to be red. We know this, okay? So you got to have a plan, right? Like, what are you going to do today? Are you going to buy today because it's red, because that might be a great opportunity? Or are you going to wait till tomorrow? Maybe tomorrow will be red too. Maybe the month finishes red. Who knows, okay? But you got to really have a plan when you're trading. You got to think about what you're going to do and then stick to it. Whatever you decide you're going to do, stick to it, okay? And, you know, I told myself, regardless of what happens here, I'm going to hold my positions. I thought about selling and taking a loss on Aurora. I bought 1,000 shares at $12.50. Right now we're at $11.80. You know, I thought about selling. I'm down about $700. I'm not going to lie. I thought about selling, taking the L, moving on. But then I said to myself, well, what if this is like a one-day correction and then it just comes right back up? I'm going to really be like kicking myself for selling one of the best, most undervalued cannabis stocks in the world, in my opinion. So, you know, and Kramer thinks so too. Kramer thinks that they're undervalued. So, yeah, I was just like, you know, let's see where it's trading in America. So in America, trading at $8.85. So you got a company here in Aurora Cannabis that's in 24 countries worldwide, and they're trading at $8. And their peers like Cannabis Growth, Chronos Group, Village Farms are all trading higher, even though they may not be even remotely close to being as good as Aurora Cannabis. So what does that tell you about Aurora Cannabis? What does that tell you about Aurora Cannabis? I believe Aurora Cannabis is going to go much higher. Now, short term, they might go down. This might be, you know, a lengthy pullback. You never know. But I believe long term, over time, Aurora Cannabis has got the tools to be a monster. Why? Because of all the partnerships they have. They have unparalleled partnerships with many other licensed producers already. And this is why I believe Aurora could be one of the best opportunities out there. And if you're looking to buy Aurora and it's down 3% today, this might be the time to buy. This might have been the time to buy today, right? Now, who knows? Guys, don't go and buy anything just because you heard it here first. They might go back up. They might go down. Nobody knows. I don't have a crystal ball. I'm just giving you advice, okay? I'm just telling you what I think. I might be wrong. I might be right. I don't really know. All I know is I'm watching the markets, and this is what they're doing. You know what I mean? So I'm just giving you guys what I see, you know? And what I see right now is a bloodshed and a lot of bloodshed. And yeah, that's what it is. So typically on days like this, it's a great day to buy. Typically it's a great day to buy. But will it continue? That's really what it comes down to. Do you guys think this trend continues? Do you think this trend continues, guys? Yeah, like, I said, I told you guys this before. I said, we may not win this battle today, but over the long haul, we will win the war. This is one of the hottest, most exciting industries in the entire world, and it's only going to get more exciting. In December, well, October till December, everything crashed, and everybody was panicking, and I kept saying it was a buying opportunity, 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 it was a buying opportunity. And what is it proven to be? A buying opportunity. Now, is this one-day correction a buying opportunity? Maybe. But, like I said, this may be extended. This bloodshed, it may go for a while. We have seen green of epic proportions for all of 2019. We have not seen an extended market correction or crash so far in 2019, and we're almost into April. So we're talking about one entire quarter without any corrections. So we got to really just ask ourselves, is this nothing more than a correction before the next takeoff? Or is this going to be an extended reversal for the entire industry? I'd love to know your guys' opinion. Do I think Agra is a good buy? Let's take a look at Agra. Yeah, guys, give me your picks and we'll take a look at them. I don't have level 2 for all the picks, but I do for the TSX Venture ones, TSX and the NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, all the big board stocks. Agra Flora Organics at 55 cents. Yeah, it might be a good buy. I might add them to my watch list here. I just created this. I just set up this level 2 today. Just creating this watch list right now. See all the red? There's a lot of red. It's a sea of red, guys. Mind you, there's more green than there was earlier. So there is starting to show more green and some life, which is good. Boss. Hey, that's a good pick. Let me add Boss. Let me add Boss. Boss at 62 cents. That's another one that's down today. Like, everything is down. Save lists. Just building this list, and look at all the red, guys. Look at the red. Check this out. Look at the red. See all the red? That's all the red. Unbelievable. Just looking at all the buys and sells and just looking at the momentum and looking at the prices. Trying to identify opportunities, trying to identify a pattern if possible. Aurora now is, wow, down to 1181. So it is getting blasted today. ISOL broke its downtrend. Might be an opportunity. Did I add ISOL here? I don't believe I did. Let me add ISOL. Oh, that's the wrong one. Yeah, ISOL is green in a sea of red. Interesting. That's another one we can add to the list. Wow, IGNG is leading the way, down 17%. MYT, one that I bought, Urban Tea, that has not been doing very well so far. Urban Tea hasn't been a very good buy so far for me. But I'm not going to panic. I'm going to chill. I'm going to watch it. And if it goes down further, I'm going to keep watching it and probably just buy more at a lower price. Lower my cost. But yeah, this bad boy's been going down aggressively today. MMS. MacArthur Minerals down again 8% today. So MacArthur Minerals had a serious run. Now it just seems to be going down. And the thing that's worrying me about this is the volume. See the volume? It's only 2.6 million shares. I don't like the fact that the volume has dried up. Like, why is the volume drying up? So as soon as I start seeing the volume dry up, that's when I start getting a little bit concerned. And that's kind of what's happening with MacArthur Minerals. One of the reasons why I believe they're slowing down is they're just losing momentum. They've lost a lot of volume. Acreage Holdings. These guys are a $40 price target on NASDAQ.com. Currently at $21, down 7% today. They're taking it on the chin. They've been as high as $22, back down to $21 today. Might be a buying opportunity for anyone looking in to get into Acreage Holdings. Rivers. Company I love. I love Rivers. $3.97. I think this might be a great buy. It's been as low as $3.90, as high as $4.22 today. Village Farms, been as low as $16.76. Now it's $17.73. The shipping stocks have been going nuts today. I wanted to bring it to your attention because they've been going crazy, and I needed level 2 to watch these because they go up and down so fast and so aggressively. So yeah, I got my level 2 on this, and you can see there's a big spread there. Buying for $5.10, selling for $5.19. So a huge spread there. Anything moving? Any momentum? Oh, look at this. MedMan. I'm up on my MedMan now. So I bought my MedMan at $4.29. We are now at $4.32 on the offer. So I'm already up on my MedMan. So that's good. I'm happy about that. And I bought my AUSA today at 96, and we're right at 96 by 97. So that's kind of even. Let's go MedMan. Let's build a nice little bid here, man. Let's get some bids up on MedMan. Let's go. Let's go MedMan. So what I did today is I bought 2 stocks that I thought were low, so I wouldn't be as affected by this bloodshed. I said, okay, well, if I buy 2 stocks that are low, they can't really go that much lower, I don't think. So that was kind of my strategy today. I thought about lowering my cost in other positions. There we go. There's another bid of $4.29. Beautiful. So I figured, let me position myself in AUSA. It's cheap at 96 cents. Let me position myself in MedMan. It's cheap at $4.29. And see what happens. And so far, I kind of like those positions. All right, guys, I'm going to go take a break. I will leave this trading, and I'll leave you guys with a tune, but I'll be back. I'll be back, I promise. If you guys have them, roll them, smoke them. If you're drinking, that's good too. Just don't drink and drive, and don't smoke and fly, and I'll be back. Listen to the music. Maybe we'll watch a little bit. Would you guys like to watch some Aurora? Oh, no, you know what? We'll keep it on MedMan. MedMan seems to be moving here. The bid just popped up at 430.
You can never worry me 'cause I'm the type. with the haters, man. I'ma keep on moving, power up just like it's Gatorade. You ain't got the money, broke jokers fade away. In it for the stock, goddamn, I made a K today. Outer space, I should really be an astronaut. Flying with the stars, smoking on the moon, so pass the blunt. Snakes hiding in the grass, pulling out the lawnmower. Expose your whole motive, notice that it's all over. Andrew got the keys, Arthur got the keys. Riches in this bitch, and we smoking on some trees. Yeah, we lounging. You know that we gon' conquer mountains. And we gon' get this money with my brothers. And if you hating on the click, you suckers. Straight up, straight up, straight up. Straight up, straight up, straight up. Straight up, straight up, straight up. Never giving up, I keep on fighting. You can never bully me cause I'm a giant. You can never worry me cause I'm a giant. Straight up, straight up, straight up. Never giving up, I keep on fighting. You can never bully me cause I'm a giant. You can never worry me cause I'm a giant. Straight up, straight up, straight up. I see your vision strictly diminished. The system divided the mission. You ain't got permission from the coalition. You a rat, but I took you for a dog type. Thought you was down for the cause, but you lost sight. Eye for an eye, but now the haters blindfolded. You can't think for yourself because your mind's stolen. You can't speak for yourself because your lies choking. Now you can't see for yourself because your eyes closing. I don't hear, I don't speak, I don't see no evil. Because I'm good with myself and I will love the people. And you ain't good with yourself, that's why I call you weasel. But when you look in the mirror, you think that we are equal. I'm trying to give you insight, but it's never working. I just pray one day you'll be a better person. I'm just trying to give you insight, it's never working. I just pray one day you'll be a better person. Never giving up, I keep on fighting. You can never bully me cause I'm a giant. You can never worry me cause I'm a giant. Straight up, straight up, straight up. Never giving up, I keep on fighting.
Ooh, the offer on Medman is 433 now. Let's go. Oh, 423. Why you jumping my offer, man? 432 now. My goodness. Yes, I sold my ETH today, actually. But look at that sea of red, eh? Big sea of red. Big sea of red. The big sea of red. But you know what? I still believe that in every negative situation, a seed of opportunity grows. So if you were looking to get into a stock and they were just going up and you didn't want to buy it, this might be the time. This might be the light. This might be the opportunity. This might be the opening that we've been waiting for to get into our favorite stocks really, really cheap. Is this the light? Is this the headshot that we've been looking for? This is level 2 market depth. This is level 2 market depth. This is live trading. This is with TD. Oh, Goldman Sachs has just gone green. Goldman Sachs is now in the green. Labs at 312, barely green. Tesla up 2% today. And everything else is red. Oh, look at the spread on Suniva. The bid's at 470. The offer is at 474. If you guys want me to look at any stocks, give me the symbols, guys. And we'll pull it up on the level 2. I can look at TSX, TSX Venture, NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, Amex. If you have any stocks you want to watch live on level 2, let me know. Yeah, keep giving me the picks, guys. Thank you. There's NGW, guys. Next, Green Wave. If you guys have anything that I need to add to my list, please let me know. Sproutly is up 7%. So we need to find the light, guys. SOLR. Yes, I have SOLR. They are a CSE company, Canadian Securities Exchange, small cap. So I don't have that market depth. But they are trading at... The bid is at 10 cents and the ask is at 10 cents. So trading around 10 cents. Very tight. Lots of volume. 15 million shares. GLBS is one of the big winners of the day, up 15%. CRMD is one of the big winners of the day, up 17%. If there's anything I'm missing, please let me know. Ooh, Xena. I haven't added Xena. Good call there. Yeah, like anything I'm missing, let me know. I'm just literally just I just set up this account. I just set up this account today. So I'm literally building this watch list live with you guys. I just set up this account. And I want to show you guys how it works. VGW. Where is Xena today? Where is the price of Xena? Why am I not seeing you? Xena, there you are. Oh, you're down at 307. Oh, for some reason it's not showing. They're on the CSE. They need to go to TSXB at least. VGW. Let's look at VGW. Valens Grow Network. And let's take a look at the warrants. Let's look at the warrants too. We want to look at warrants. 82 cents. So you guys know with warrants you can buy them, but there's a strike price. So if they say, okay, this has to sell at $2, and they give you a 30-day window to sell at $2, it has a strike price. That's the only difference with warrants. If there's anything else that's up, please let me know. I will add it to the list. I like Valens. We actually been calling them, talking to them about coming on the show. They said they'll get back to us. I'm sure they're probably watching right now. If you're watching, how you doing? If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, please. RBZ, Rebel Capital. DVLP. Rebonds Holding. $35. DVLP. $0.02. Golden Development up 21%. 1.3 million shares. That's a good one. It's looking good. DVLP, HVT. Oh yes. Harvest One and HARV. Harvest is a CSE company. HARV. I'm going to get the package for the CSE company after today. For CSE stocks. I just got to get that package. They charge like an extra $30 for it. It's weird. I'm paying like $59 for this package and they want $30 just for the CSE stocks. Like why? Harvest Health down 5%, 1196. Is that a good buying opportunity, guys? What do you guys think? Look at the red. Wow. Oh, RBZ is up 300%. What's going on here? Yo. Hey, guys. RBZ is up 328%. What is this thing? 3761 by 3770. 3750 by 3738. Wow, look at it go. What is this thing? Have you guys ever seen this thing? This is nuts. I should add the candlestick chart below my level 2. Bam. Wow. That's crazy. How do I add this to my charts? Aha. Aha. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Thank you. Thank you. You're saving the day, man. Helping me out, bro. Look at this. We finding winners. Yo, RBZ is on a full alert, guys. Holy shucks. It's up 318%. RBZ. I mean, we just found a big winner. Thank you. Who brought me that? I gotta scroll up here. Nick. Yo, Nick. You a scholar, bro. You a scholar, man. MDTRD. Yo, that's a full alert, bro. That's a freaking full alert. That's a massive full alert.
The next Lotto 649
RBZ is on a full alert.
plus the guaranteed $1 million.
Look, you guys can see the level 2 right here. BMMJ. Give me all the winners. Let's go. No, they don't got OTC level 2, man. It's crazy. Only big boards and Canadian stocks. It's pretty weak. But at least this is a start, right? This is a start. I'll get it. Don't worry. I'll get it. I'll get it. I'm going to talk to TD, man. Don't worry. I'm going to call up TD. Maybe we'll even do it live. I'll call them up, man. We're going to make it happen. What is going on with... Oh, it just disappeared. What happened? RBZ just disappeared. What happened? That's wild. Did it go down? Oh, there it is. Rebonds holding. What else is popping? Yes, RBZ just did a reverse. Be careful. I'm not saying you should buy it. I'm just saying it's at up 323%. So just bring it to your attention. Look at that candle. See that green candle? That's some serious buying pressure. Now, if it was a reverse, that's artificial. That's not even real. So we'll see what happens. What else is popping? Is there anything else that's popping? Yeah, I've had Investors Hub before. I might have to go to Investors Hub. I don't know. We'll see how I feel. I like this though. It's pretty cool. It's pretty nice. Oil. think it might be close to a buying opportunity on oils. That's what I think. Wow, it was as low as 30 cents today. Solar is definitely on a full alert today. Look at those candles. That's real buying right there. What do you guys want to look at here? What do you want to look at? You guys got any you guys have any recommendations of what to look at right now on level 2 market depth? IGNG is at 13 cents. HIP's not even going to be a symbol soon, so I'm not going to even look at that. Agra, we've looked at Agra. Give us something new, guys. Let's look at something new. ORCP. Oh, you know which one I like is Canna Royalty. Yo, take a look at Canna Royalty, guys. At $11.12. It hasn't even gone down much on this today. Once I learn how to use this tool, this is going to be a very effective tool. ORCP's on the London Stock Exchange. So can we still look at it? I don't even know what that is. Huge. Have I added huge? FSD Pharma. FSD is down 4%. There's a lot of offers there at 23 cents. See the offers at 23 cents? There's a lot of offers at 23 cents. And there's 27 people trying to sell plus 42. There's 69 people trying to sell at 23 cents. And 9 people trying to buy at 23 cents. Very odd. It's the same price. You don't really see that too often. $639,000 shares plus another 1.4 million. So 2 million shares on the offer at 23 cents and then 84,500 shares on the bid. So do you guys see that? The bid is at the exact same price as the offer. It's weird. It's very odd. I don't understand what's going on over there. REFG. $0.04 up 60%. Wow. What a beast. That's a good one. Medical Cannabis, REFG, up 60%. Traded 13 million shares. My goodness. You know, there's a song for that. If you could have got this today. If you could have got this today. REFG, guys. REFG. Up 60%. Traded 13 million shares at 4 cents. It's a full alert. This that headshot. This that headshot. Nah. The list is growing of green. Give me more. Let's find more. What else is green, people?
lots. Pulling up like it was socks. This shit is heavy as rocks. You was just pulled out the docks. That mean you drowning, you looking around, and I know that you wanna be biting my style. Or you think you must be wild? I ain't aroused. That's just how I will get down. We were here first, talking all the pics. You was in the back talking all the shit. We was grinding, making all the hits. Now you jealous and you can't stand it. Rich has been here, you ain't been there. Circle tight, yeah, you been square. It's time to open the letter. Hope you don't fall down the ladder. I know you tight, like to be frontin'. You was in troll, hit the like button. Getting no dab, you think you can rap?
Stocks are finding their floor. Buy low, sell high. Buy in the red, sell in the green. Ooh, IGNG is going up. It's at 14 cents now. Look at that green. It just had a nice bump. The whole goal is to find the bottom, guys. Find your headshot. And if it's red, always a better chance if you buy in the red, sell in the green, that you're going to win on your trades. What goes down will come up. What goes down will come up. I cannot tell you what to do. I'm not a licensed advisor. Do your own due diligence. Do your research. Invest in the best because the best is blessed. Let's look at Facebook. You want to invest in the best? Facebook is one of the best. $165 stock. Look at the volume. Now we got everything. We got Facebook. We can talk about Facebook. What do you guys want to talk about? VGW is up 5%. I'm telling you, they're coming back. They're coming back. They will come back. They will resurrect. There's nothing more powerful than the cannabis sector. Nothing. And we'll be able to bring it live. All the winners live and interactive. Level 2 market depth, guys. Who else brings you guys this, man? Yo, I did this for you guys, man. Don't you know? I did this for you guys. Hope you like it. We just gotta find the bottoms, man. And what's the bottom? What's the bottom? Where's the bottom? On every stock. Literally, we talk about the stocks, we find the bottoms. This is what we do here. Talk about stocks, find the bottoms, play some ill kit. That's it. It's pretty simple. It's not that difficult. You know? I'm gonna tell you guys about some stocks to own. Listen to the words. Live level 2 market depth, going for the close, guys. We're going to the close, all the way to the close. Let's do it, me and you. We're locked and loaded. If you get in the green and you win, lock in your profits. The list of green keeps growing. Have you noticed that? Give me more winners. Let's go. Let's build the green. Let's manifest the green. Everything will go up and everything will go down. That is the markets. Give me the symbols, guys. What's the symbols? Tell me what's green, guys. Tell me what's green. You guys have the eyes. I'm live. I can't do it all, man. I need you guys to work with me, man. Work with me, guys. Work with me. Work with me and I'll work with you. What is green in a sea of red? I want to know, what is green in a sea of red? Thank you for Jaguar Health. Thank you. Sam, thank you. Let's find more. What else is green on a red day? Let's go. OMTK up 69%. Wow. Nice pick. Candlesticks. Nice pick, man. Look, the green is growing. Bring me more. Bring me more. I want to know the winners. Who has the winners? Bring me the winners, guys. I want to find the winners. Let's talk about winners. We only want to talk about the winners today. What is winning today? I want to know, guys. What is winning today? What is winning today? I'm literally building this watch list live. So I figured I would do that for you guys. And then that way we have level 2 market depth. And we need to look at all the big cannabis stocks. What am I missing? What am I missing? BLO. Good. Give me one. Give me them. Give me the stocks that I'm missing, guys. Cannabis Technologies. There we go. Thank you. What else am I not talking about, guys? What else am I missing? What else am I missing? I know I'm missing lots. Oh, Kush bottles. Let's take a look at Kush bottles. Bam. Kush bottles. I gotta get... Why don't they have OTC? What the hell, man? You serious? It's weak. What's going on there? I don't get it. I don't understand. So look, we got a big list of green now, but we need more. We need more. I want to know the winners. And you know, if there's some losers that are good companies that I need to add to my watch list, I want those too. You're dropping your email address. Okay. So we have 1 hour and 5 minutes until the close. And we have 57 people on the flight. And we're going to the close on a hump day, on a Wednesday when everything is red, in a sea of red for the whole world. We have found some green, but is there more green? Or anything that I need to add to my watch list that I'm not watching? I'm just thinking about stocks because I'm just building this massive watch list right now. CGEN is up 8%. Really nice. Very good pick there. Very good pick there.
Rich TV Live.
Is that, like, why are you dropping your email? Is that a troll? Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers. Oh, fire. Good call. Thank you. Fire. Yes. I'm forgetting so many companies, guys. Just give them to me. SPRWF in America. Fire in Canada. Give me more, guys. Give me the picks. Another green. Man, Gene is getting beat down, eh? Gene Simmons, where are you? Gene Simmons. No, Mike. You're allowed to drop an email. I'm just putting out the music. I'm not suggesting it's a troll. It could be a troll. I don't know if it is. But we have the song, so I figured I'd play it. There's a big spread on ISOL. You guys see that? You can buy it for $160 and sell it for $163. So that is Troll Hunting. It's just another one of the unbelievable songs from Ill Kid. And I think it's important to find your headshot. It's important to not panic. And I've always said, buy red, sell green. Buy red, sell green. Buy red, sell green. Buy red, sell green. That's what I always say. Buy red, sell green. Buy red, sell green. Oh, do I have Vivo? I got Vivo, yeah. We got Vivo here. They're a CSE stock. Come on, Vivo. Another green. Thank you. I am Albert Miner. I like James E. Wagner, man. Good call there. At 99 cents, James E. Wagner. Put it on an alert. Put it on your watch list. Give me all the picks, guys. Let's go.
It's time to help your brother when they're weak, cause their speech is no longer heard. Listen when they speak. If the roles reversed, I wonder where you sleep. Outside in the
Nokia is a very good one because of the 5G. Thank you, Pekka.
Outside in the dark on the cold concrete. We always talking, but we never keep the promise. I'm astonished that there's still people going hungry.
Planet 13 is up 3.52%, guys. Planet 13 Holdings. Look at the level 2. C-A-N-N. General Cannabis in America is at $1.89. In Canada is at 60 cents. Weird. Heritage Cannabis, C-A-N-N, at 60 cents in Canada. So many symbols. I get so confused. Ericsson? What's the symbol for Ericsson? Ericsson. Eric? Is this it? I know there's another one, Chris. C-R-I-S, that was winning. Chris, that's down today. I have so many symbols I want to add. H-Y-R-E. I'm just going to keep adding them. These are all the symbols that I've been looking at every day. D-C-A-R. They were exploding yesterday. Now they're down 30%. Drop Car Inc. because of this whole Uber phenomenon. D-R-V-D. Driven Delivers. Another driving car stock. Thank you for that pick. Thank you. Just adding them to my watch list. Oh yeah, Cura. Thank you for Cura. Thank you, Floyd, for Cura. I totally forgot Cura. Oh my goodness. How do you forget Cura? Beautiful. Thank you. C-U-R-L-F. Oh, let's see. Citigroup at $60. Oh, I got so many picks, guys. CNRE. I'm gonna do this for a bit here. Let's get another song on. Let's get this.
Don't compromise with best-in-class fuel efficiency and towing capacity.
Don't ever compromise with GMC. Oh, CXXI, thank you.
This is a cannabis stock revolution. It's true. Rich TV Live, we bring you the picks and the hits.
This is a collaboration. Your boy, Il Kid, and Roxana. In the studio, it's true. These are all the stocks I talked about yesterday, shipping stocks. They're all green. Oh, once again, another green. These were all the picks I gave you guys yesterday, absolutely free. Another green, up 2.54%. These were all the picks I gave you guys yesterday for free. Wow. I didn't even check. Oh, we got one red. We got a red. We found a red. Your boy, Ill Kid, Roxana, in the studio. It's true. Rich, rich, rich. Oh, Eagle bulk shipping up 4%. There's levels to this game. I just up the ante. That's all I do. I just up the ante, guys. That's all I do. Just up the ante. You want to be like me? Y'all want to be like me? Let's go. Up the ante. Up your game. Up your game. It's true. You want to be like me? Up your game. Up your game. Y'all want to be like me? Just all I'm trying to say, man. You want to be like me, you got to up your game. It's just, you know, it's good versus evil, man. It's good versus evil in this world, man. Ooh, MCLD, I totally forgot. Thank you. Give me your picks. What do I need to add to the watch list? We are live on level 2. Look at the green. We found the green. It's a green machine. Gene is up 9% all of a sudden. What? What's going on there? Tops, another one of my picks, up 2.59%. GLBS, another one of the picks, up 12%. DCIX, another pick, up 1.83%. The shipping stocks are up as predicted. Oh my goodness. I wonder who predicted that. Did somebody predict that? Oh man, another one of the picks. ESEA up 6.83%. Wow, all of a sudden there's a lot of green, guys. Look at that. Look at that list. Found a lot of green. Found a lot of green, man. Finding a lot of green. We're also finding a lot of red. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, shrimp went up to $7. It got halted, and then it came back down. Yo, thank you for NMCI. Yom Tov Giledov. Thank you for NMCI. Up 42%. That's a good one. That's a good one. I like that one. I like that one. Ship is down, but it was up to $7, and then it got halted. It got halted. It's craziness. Oh, we can't forget Namaste. Never. Cannot forget Namaste. And let's see where we're at now. We have a lot of green all of a sudden, and we have a loving side to us. People don't see that. You guys should join the Telegram if you want to be with us. Join us. We on the Telegram. Love to have you guys in there. This is the loving side to us. We have a loving side to us too, it's true. GSL, another one of the picks, up 5%. Yeah, so ship was up to $7 and they halted it, and then it went down. They took the momentum out. It was flying. That's the truth, man. It was flying, and they killed it. They killed it, man. They killed it. They killed it, man. They halted it, man. Thank you for new picks, guys. Just give me the new picks. I'm just adding picks that are on my watch list. Building a super watch list that we can watch every day. Stocks that I've been watching. Just always building watch lists, and I just watch them. I date them. Watch them every day. Date them every single day, man. Just watch them and date them, and you watch them and you date them and you watch them and you date them. And that's what we do. That's how I do it. Even in the holidays, we even Ill Kid was nice enough to come up with a beautiful song. Even in the holidays, check it out. This was one of my picks from like 2 years ago, Twilio. When it was at 30 bucks. At 126 right now. Oh my goodness. That one hurts. That one hurts. Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett's company, $299,000 a share. He is the king. And his B shares are 199.40. Those are reasonable. I can buy some of those. Maybe I'll get me some of those. 200 bucks to buy a little piece of Berkshire Hathaway? What do you guys think? Look at the green, eh? All of a sudden. Look at all the green. Wow, Gene is climbing. I was talking about Gene Simpson. Yo, Gene, were you watching, bro? Did you take offense to that? Yo, Gene, I wasn't trying to take anything personal, bro. I know you're a baller. You know, I like your stock. I like the company. I was just wondering what was up. You know what I mean? Like, powerful guy like you got your own cannabis stock trading, and like, you know. Let's look, Gene. Let's talk about it, Gene. You and me, Gene, one-on-one right here. Let's be real, okay? You're at $2, Gene. You're at $2 in July. You know, the wheels fell off, Gene. Look at this. The wheels fell off. What is this alert? I need an alert. I can get an alert. Oh, I like that. I like alerts. I like alerts. I got to play around with this software. It's very sophisticated. Ooh, I never added Alifia. Thank you. Thank you. So cheap right now? So cheap right now. At $2. Wow. Dirt cheap right now. It's been over $4. It's been as high as $4.66, and it's right now at $2. And it's on the senior exchange in Canada, on the TSX. Yeah, Gene, man. Let's take a look at Gene. Gene's watching, guys. I'm sure of it. Or he got a call. Something's up. Something's up. This Gene is up 10%. This Gene, like, as soon as I talked about it, I was like, oh. Down 2%? Invictus ND? I don't know what's going on. Was it just up? Or was my eyes failing me? Or was I looking at the wrong thing? Like, now it's down 2%. So, I don't know what's going on. What's going on? Gene, are my eyes failing me? Were you just not up? What happened there? What did I just miss? I'm confused. I'm confused, Gene. I don't know what happened there, bro. I'm confused, Gene. Weren't you at 92 cents? Now you're down to 84? Was that my eyes failing me or what? Like, what happened there? What happened there? Something happened there. Something happened there. I don't know what exactly, but it went up and then it came down or something. Something weird. No, look, I'm seeing Gene here. Oh, it's a different Gene. Gintech, that's why. I got confused. It's not the Gene Simmons one. Come on, Gene. Let's get it together, bud. Gene, if you'd like to get on the show, we'd love to have you. We'd love to have you. This is the symbol in America. IVITF is the symbol for Gene Simmons' company in America. And, oh, Balzerian. What's the Balzerian? B-A-L-Z? What's the Balzerian symbol, guys? Oh, what is it? You guys know the B-I-L-Z. Thank you. Thank you. Respect, man. Mad respect. Iser Khan. Thank you. BILZ. This is Dan Balzerian's company, guys. The bid is at 199. The ask is at 199. The volume is 0, and the last price is at 172. Like, what's going on here? Something weird's going on here. Dan, we'd love to have you on Rich TV Live, bud. Love to get you on the show if you're watching. You know, if you're not winning, you're probably not watching. If you are watching, you're most likely winning. And Dan, we'd love to get you on the show. Maybe, you know, more investors would be interested in your stock. I mean, the volume's 0, bro. Like, what's up with that? The volume's 0. Like, we can't have a 0 volume. My goodness. 0. We're talking about 0. 0. 0. Like, really? Oh, Cura's green all of a sudden, guys. We are finding some green in the cannabis sector. After a massive sell-off, we are starting to see some green. And we're going to look at the one-day chart. And look at this, Cura. Cura's been, after the early sell-off, big bounce from $11 as low as $11 and what's the daily low? The daily low is 1107 on Cura, and now it's back to 1210. So that was a buying opportunity, guys. Hope you guys took advantage of that. For Cura. Let's see what else is moving. The warrants on Valens Growworks seems to be up 5%. That's interesting. What else should I add to my watch list? Should we be watching? What else should we be watching, guys, that I'm not thinking of? Oh, boy. Oh, what am I thinking? Dollarama. Dollarama. Dollarama's at $35. And what else? Coca-Cola, in case they do that deal with we'll watch Coca-Cola in case they do that deal with Aurora. And who else? Who should we be watching? Who am I missing? Water. Did I add water? I think I added water. It's at $255 now in America. Wow. It's in Canada. What's going on? 342 in Canada. The volume is dead. Choom. Yes, Choom. Thank you. Choom. Thank you. 68 cents, down 4% right now. Yo, what's up, bro? Hello? Hello? Yo.
Oh, what's up, Rich?
Yo, I'm live right now, eh?
Live?
Yeah, we're live, bro. You're live with me right now.
Oh, wow. I thought to be gentlemen.
You're cutting out. You're cutting out, bro. Call me on my phone. Yo, call me on my phone. A lot of things went up. A lot of things came down. And it looks to me like a lot of things are starting to go up again. Looking at quite a lot of stocks that are green today. Like a huge list all of a sudden. And none of these were green before. They just started going green. Let's call Andrew. That is Andrew Ellington, one of the members of the community. And you can see Andrew in the group chat in Telegram. And that's where we're at, guys. Like that, the party just goes on there till 6 in the morning. Like goes all day. Hey, how you doing, buddy?
Good. How are you?
Good. I thought I'd just bring you on the show since, we talk all the time. Might as well just bring you on the show.
Yeah, mine's well. Mine's well. What's everybody watching right now? It looks like a bloodbath out there.
Well, you know what? It's a bloodbath, but I think like a lot of the cannabis stocks are starting to turn around.
Yeah, and I think it is a good buying opportunity because all the big guys aren't down by much.
Like, for example, Cura, it went down to $11 and now it's back to $12 and it's in the green. So it was a buying opportunity for Cura. And it's like taking off right now. It's at, like literally taking off. It's up 2% and it went down to $11.07 and now it's up to $12.15, up 2%.
Wow. Yeah, we remember we were talking about it at $5 and we were talking about how undervalued Cura really is.
Yeah, man. Cura's such a beast, man. But the thing is, with some of these stocks, they've all taken off, right? So what goes up is going to come down. And we've been talking about the fact that there's going to be a correction soon. We've just been waiting for it, right? So, I mean, here it came, right? Essentially. But they're starting to take off again. It's kind of funny. Everything is finishing kind of strong right here at the close. Like, everything that went down earlier is starting to come back up. Like, Village Farms went down to 16.76 in Canada. Right now it's at 17.73. So everything's come back up from its bottoms. And it started the day at 19.64. And now it's back to 17.63. 17.68. Sorry, 17.69 right now. So, there had to be a trend reversal at some point. We weren't going to just stay we weren't going to stay green forever.
Yeah, definitely. We're definitely due for some pullback. And this really, I wouldn't call it a correction. It's just a nice normal red day.
But that's what I mean. Like, it's correction day because we've had so much momentum, right? So we had to have a red day sooner rather than later. We haven't even had really too many red days. So
not since January, huh?
You know what I mean? So every time we have a red day now, everybody panics, right? So like Aurora is at 11.79. What do you think about Aurora? Like, what price would you buy it at?
Aurora? Well, I love Aurora. That's honestly, besides the share structure, that is my favorite company. I love the CEO. But I've always held ACB is the only company that I will hold long term. I got in at 480, and I sold some of my shares recently, but I still have 1,000 shares of ACB.
Nice.
I'll probably keep them for years and years and years to come. But ACB is definitely due for some pullback. Like, just wait for the bottom, and you guys know when ACB hits the bottom, it's going right back to the top.
Yeah, it seems like to be like a very forgiving stock. Like, I don't think I've ever lost a trade on ACB. Like, ever.
Me neither. I almost panic sold. What was it? When was it? Bloodbath? Late December, when everything was dropping. I almost panic sold, but instead of panic selling, I told myself, you know what? I'm gonna buy more, and I bought more.
Genius. Did you sell that, or did you hold? Are you still holding those?
Well, I have two different portfolios. So I have a Fidelity and I have an E-Trade. My Fidelity is my long-term investments. So I have ACB in there. I have a little bit of Hexo in there. But ACB pretty much the only thing that I will long-term hold. There's just so much potential. The only thing keeping it back is the share structure. That's the only thing. The only reason why it's not up there with Kron and everybody else, because of share structure.
Look at the volume, though. It's at $8.83 in America, and it's traded 28,890,000 shares. Like, that's fucking mental. So the volume is because the thing is, think about it, okay? It's the number one stock for millennials. You're a millennial, okay? You're in that category. Why is Aurora Cannabis so appealing to millennials? It's still cheap. That's why. Like, it's not like $40 like Cannabis Growth. So people are naturally going to go to Aurora Cannabis. Is that, like, would you agree with that, or am I crazy?
Yeah, I agree. I agree with that 100%. And with the price, I feel like you said earlier, no matter what price you get in the ACB, it will be back there. Very forgiving stock.
That's what I mean. Like, it goes up and down, right? So if you're patient and you can buy low, then, oh man, you can make a killing on it, right? If you're in cash and it goes down, those are the times to buy, right?
Like with ACB, if you're not day trading, or if you're not swing trading, there's no reason to panic with ACB. That company has all their ducks in a row. Okay, they are only gonna get bigger. Remember, you were talking about these guys when they were at $2. You know?
Yeah.
You've been there with ACB. You've been with them through thick and thin. But what I would do if I was holding ACB, this is what I do.
Yo, 1 second. Cura is flying, guys. Cura's up to 12.24 now. 12.26. Cura is flying.
Oh, wow.
Up almost 3%. So a lot of these cannabis stocks are reversing that trend now. Very interesting. Very interesting. Sorry, I apologize, bro. Continue.
All I was saying is, if you're holding ACB long term, and I wouldn't say add more as it has a minor dip, but if you're going long and you see a humongous dip, you buy more. You don't think about selling. If you weren't going to sell in the green, why would you sell in the red? You know, just buy more. ACB is one of those stocks that is going to be $50, $100, 10 years down the road. It just is. Cannabis is going nowhere, and we've proven this.
Yeah, I mean, like, I've been in this industry now for over 2 years. Like, you know, like, I've been doing videos for... Oh, I've been actually looking and buying cannabis stocks for 4 years now, when I think about it. So that's when you could actually start buying them. And I started getting interested in it, you know? Now, obviously, we talk about it every day. We've created groups. We have all this, you know, thing that we've, you know, are a part of now. It's like a revolution, essentially. And there's so many people that are getting involved. It's not just the investors. It's the institutions. It's the, you know, it's the hedge funds. It's the market makers. It's the banks. It's the hedge fund, you know, like day traders, speculators, shorters. Everybody's getting in. Like Cureleaf just went down to 12.15. You know what I mean? It's like a bunch of shorters just watched and they just took some meat off the bone. Like, it's a war in the markets. So this is why I always say, and I know Andrew will agree with this, when you are up, when do you sell, Drew?
Oh my God, I don't. When I ask myself if it's time to sell, I sell.
Exactly.
When I go into a trade, I'm happy with 10%. I'm happy with 5%. When you see a stock shoot up hundreds of percent, that you sell and you thank the stock gods that you bought a stock that went up 100, 200%. Because when a stock goes up 200%, there's really not much room for it to go any higher.
I agree.
So I take my profits, I lock my profits in when I feel like it's necessary.
That's a smart idea. That's the way to do it. I agree with you. That's good.
Always,
and do you have like do you have like a number? Do you have a number,
Somebody
Drew?
will take your profit if you don't take your profit. That's just how the game goes. Nothing goes up forever, like you say.
Do you have a number? Do you have like a number? Do you have like a number like, okay, if I make $100 today, I'm out? Like, is there a number? Like, what's your minimum?
So honestly, the most I've made in a day would probably be around 15K, and I'm happy with taking $100 a day. I never want to have a specific number. I just want to make what I can. When I'm when I wake up in the morning, 5 o'clock, 3 hours, I think to myself, what is my entry and what is my exit? That's only if I'm not holding long term. I always have an entry and I always have an exit. And if you don't stick to your entry and exit, when you just get emotional, you get confused, and you just don't know what to do.
I agree with you 100%. You got to stick to your plan. You have to have a plan and you have to stick to it. If you don't stick to your plan, you have no shot. The market is not easy.
Exactly.
The market is not easy, you know? So when you know that the market...
What was the statistics behind that, Rich? What is it? 97% of the people fail on the stock market. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Yeah, that's crazy. But I didn't know you were live. I was calling you because we made a little friendly bet in the group.
What was the bet?
You know my bet, Rich.
What?
All or nothing. All or nothing. So I can't think of the guy's name right now, but we had a simple wager about an IPO that's going to take place Friday, and if the IPO takes place Friday and it goes up, like I say, it's probably going to go up hundreds of percent, not hundreds of percent, but it's going to go up very, very much now. If I'm right, he leaves. If I'm wrong, I leave. Friendly wager.
Friendly wager. Oh wow, that's intense. That's
Yeah,
intense.
the whole group's talking about it right now.
Wow, that is very intense, bro. I don't want you to leave though, man. So you better
Oh,
win.
you know me. I never make a bet I can't stand by.
Oh man, damn. You're confident, eh?
I'm very confident. I'm so confident. I don't even want to mention the IPO because I don't want anything. I don't want like the odds in my hands.
Yeah, you don't want to jinx it. You don't want to jinx it. No, I understand.
Yeah, I don't want to jinx it.
I wouldn't want to jinx it either if I was making a wager. I mean, that's the smart way to trade. That's a smart way to trade. You know, like it's a smart way to do anything. I said trade. That's a smart way to make a bet. You know, you want to make a bet that obviously you think you're gonna win, right? Why would you make a bet that you don't think you're gonna win? But yeah, I know what you're doing. I hope everything goes in your direction, my friend.
What do you think about it? There's a little. You're kind of heating
I
up.
don't know.
The new group, by the way, the new group is it's much better than the last one.
I don't know what to think of it. You know what I mean? Like these IPOs are so risky, man. Like I lost on Snapchat, so I'm still scarred from that. You know what I mean? So because of that, I'm scarred. So I don't know. Other than that, I feel good about it, but I'm still scarred. So I don't know.
A lot of people are actually. A lot of articles are stating they are actually. They're comparing the two. So they might think it's another Snapchat. You never know at the end of the day.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Like, you know how people just get, like, Snapchat's coming back up, though. Snapchat was at $5. Now it's back at 10. You know what I mean? Like,
wow.
Twitter went all the way down. They crapped on Twitter, and then Twitter exploded. You know, like, it's not about the short game. It's about the long game in the market, right? Like, stocks are going to go up, and they're going to go down. That's just what they do. You know?
Exactly. But with Snapchat, there was so much. It's a social media platform. Like, how many social media platforms are that? So what Facebook did, the Snapchat didn't want to sell to Facebook, so Facebook said, okay, fine, don't sell to us. We'll go ahead and make the same platform and put it on Instagram and Facebook. They basically did the same thing Snapchat did. There's so much competition.
I still think Snapchat.
Coming out,
I still think
only one competitor, which is Uber.
I still think that Snapchat's going to be very successful. You know what I mean?
I know it is.
You know,
I'm 100% confident.
And when something goes down,
the IPO was horrible though.
Yeah, the IPO. Well, the problem there was the CEOs were too greedy and wanted to sell too aggressively. You know, so when you put all this pressure into sell at those higher levels, you don't build confidence in your shareholders. So shareholders started dumping because they're like, yo, if these guys are going to dump, I'm dumping. You know, that's why I dumped.
Yeah.
I was like, yo, and I dumped way lower than $5. Imagine if it went down to $5. I would have been so choked. So it went to $5. I wasn't holding down there, but, you know, I bought it like right away. So now I'm a little bit more hesitant with IPOs. I just kind of wait, you know, protect my money, man. I would like to protect my money better.
With IPOs, the IPO says everything. They're raising money for the company. So most IPOs, they go up 20, 30, sometimes 50%, and then the next couple of days, they're lower than the initial offering. So IPOs, if you're going to ask me about an IPO, which I love IPOs, I get in and get out, period. And if you really like the company, wait for it to find a bottom and load up. Go for the ride.
Absolutely. I agree with you.
All right, Rich. I'm going to get back. I got to go get my son from school. I hope everybody has a good day, and let's have some green, ladies and gentlemen. We need it.
Yeah, man. Well, you know what? You're going to have green days and you're going to have red days. That's the markets, right? So that's why I always say when you're up, take your profit and run. Andrew's saying the exact same thing. When you're up, take the profit and run. And a lot of times you just stay in cash, right? And that's smart. Cash is king.
Yes. So I do both. I like having a long account and I like having a short account. It just makes things easier and it's like more organized. But if you guys don't take your profit, somebody will take your profit. It's just how the game goes.
That's right.
Don't think about what can happen. Think about what's probably going to happen. It's going to drop. It just went up. It's going to have to drop. Normal pullback is beautiful. You don't want to start to go 3,000% up because it's going to go 4,000% down.
Yeah, I mean, that's the market, right? And that's why you have to take your profit and run, lock in your profits. And I always say it's one trade at a time. Just do one trade at a time and try to win one trade at a time. And if you can do that and you can just build your account over time, like there's members in our account, like, have you seen Justin? Like he's amazing. Like he built his account. I've been following him and talking with him, and he's amazing. And he just focuses on making 2 to 3% a day. And he took $2,000 in the last 4 months, and he turned it into $27,000.
Yeah, that's amazing. See, Justin, for you guys who don't know Justin, I'll give you a quick background. Justin bought ACB at 66 cents years ago, and he's never even thought about selling them. And for his position now, there's no reason to sell. Just go with the flow. So I remember when Justin didn't even trade stocks. He would only talk about ACB.
Yep.
And out of nowhere, he learned how to trade on your group. He learned how to trade. He thought to himself, I could do this. And then you're telling me he turned 2,000 into 27? That's amazing.
Yeah, in 4 months. So I said to him, I go,
That's
listen,
amazing.
I said, I've been trying to get him on our show. I want to get him on the show because I think he's like the Rain Man, bro. I swear, he's like the Rain Man. I told him. So you know what he told me is his #1 pick right now? Like other than Aurora, obviously. And he's telling everyone Aurora's
I think it's Rivers.
No, well, he likes Rivers, but it's Ford.
Ford. He's been talking about Ford for a long time.
Yeah. And the other one was AUSA. He's been buying it at 96 cents. So I went and I bought some at 96 cents. I was like, yo, I'm following you, Rain Man. I told him, I'm like, you're the new Rain Man, bro. I go, I'm down. So I bought it at the exact same price. I'm like, I'm down with you, bro. You want to buy it at 96? Let's buy it at 96. He's like, he's buying AUSA at 96, selling it at 104. Buying it at 96, selling it at 104. And he keeps saying it over and over. And I'm like, yo, I'm tired of hearing him say it. I'm going to do it too. I want to try. You know what I mean? So, yeah,
I
man.
seen him mention that at least 3 or 4 times. It has great support at yours is 96 cents, so US it'd be 70 cents. It has great support at 70 cents, 96 at Canada. It's like he hit the nail on the head. It's great support.
He watches it.
I might have to do that too.
He watches it. He watches it, and he just buys it at 96. He goes, because I was talking to him yesterday. He goes, Rich, I work long, like some days I work from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. So he doesn't get a chance to see the market. So what he does, he goes and he puts in an order really cheap, like let's say AUSA at 96 cents. And then he puts an offer at $1.04, and he doesn't even sit in front of his computer. So then if it fills, it fills. He's like, if I get my price, I get my price. If I don't, I don't. He goes, and then at the end of the day, if I get it, then the next day I put up my offer at 104 and I just leave it there. And then if it fills, it fills. I'm like, yeah, that's a great way to trade, man. That's the way to trade. 100%.
And it like with AUSA.
AUSA.
So guys, if you guys don't have enough money to purchase ACB or CGC, I suggest you guys buy AUSA or Rivers. They're shell companies. At the end of the day, Aurora's going to buy AUSA back, and so is CGC going to buy Canopy Rivers back. At the end of the day, that's what's going to happen. So if you guys want the 2.0s, like Rich says, and you don't have enough to purchase the big guys, just buy Rivers or buy AUSA. They're going to be huge.
All right, buddy. Thank you so much, man.
All right, you have a good day.
You too, brother. Thank you so much, man. Thanks
Bye-bye.
for calling.
Bye, man.
Cheers.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys. Listen, man. We're going to let you guys see some level 2 here. Take a look at this. Take a look at the level 2, and we will pull up. What do you guys want to watch? Is there any stocks you guys want to watch right now? Let's take a look at. Aurora. Aurora is at 1182 by 1183. Let's see if it makes a run here at the end of the day. And some of the stocks that are making a run, let's take a look at Cureleaf. Where is Cureleaf? Cureleaf has been running. It is at $12.21 right now. We are going into the close. There is 13 minutes until the close. Hey.
You can just get off my cloud. You can just get off my cloud. Haters stop bringing me down. I know you loving the sound. I know you loving the sound. Baby, just look at me now. Henny in my cut, yeah, straight up. I don't fuck with no ice cubes. Diamond stay dripping. I'm a white boy, nice whip with some nice moves. Bruce Lee smoking loose leaves. You swear I'm doing some kung fu. Got a trunk full of birds. Sit down, we playing duck, duck, duck goose. Yeah. I ain't beginning. I've been here before. Haters are mad, will I even the score? I lay on the beach, take a peek at the shore. My wife is a diamond, you sleep with a whore. Mother is serving my chef, he stay cooking. The maids are so dirty, that mean they good looking. And if you get caught, then you best to be cooking. The recipe don't get the head, be dripping. This is no kid to play, I got shit to say.
You guys keep asking about INPX. It's down 31%. Why do you keep asking me about INPX? I don't understand why you keep asking about it. It's so weird. No, but that's a good way to do it. I totally agree with you. If you, I'm down to do anything that is going to work in the markets. NMCI up 41%, SOLR up 40%, OMTK up 30%, CUV up 29%. Wow, CXXI is running, guys. CXXI is running right now. Look at this, right at the end of the day. Running CXXI up 7%.
Hey, Jason here. I'm chilling in the backyard.
Yeah, CUV is doing really, really well. CXXI at $2.35. This is like the gift that keeps on giving. This thing's chart is just unbelievable. Let's look at his chart here. We look at the 1 year. So it's been higher. It's come back down to really low levels. And now it's been screaming up. C21 Investments, CXXI, up 7.31% as we speak. Oh, it's now at 5%. There is 10 minutes left in the market. There's 10 minutes left until the market closes, guys. Let's hope we see a resurrection here.
On these companies. Meanwhile, what they're trying to do is create a distraction so we don't take advantage of the cannabis stock resurrection. That's really what's going on. That's the truth. We're rich, and I'm out. Peace.
One day we gon' fly, we gon' make this money, we gon' live our life. A weekend will get high, I'ma spread my wings, I'ma feel alright. One day we gon' fly, we gon' make this money, we gon' live our life. A weekend will get high, I'ma spread my wings, I'ma feel alright. Shortest can't take us down, it's the time to buy and put your money in, let the profits maximize. We the people stay true and we don't stand for lies. Canada, we the leader for the
ISOL is up 6.67%.
We wanted this for years and they thought we were joking. Nah, we were always patient. Cannabis for you and me and all the nations. So all my brothers and all my sisters go on and light it up.
Planet 13 is up 3.52%.
I know we buying in the red. That's
Cura is still up 2.27%. CTST has just hit $10. Right at the end of the day, CTST, can't trust. finishing in the green.
Invest in the top cannabis stocks in Canada and the United States that are revenue generating. Invest in the best because the best is blessed. This is your boy Rich, and we're out. Peace. If you're not winning, you're not watching. This is a cannabis stock revolution. It's true. Get ready for the resurrection. I'm out. Peace.
I'm talking Jordan Belfort. Let's open up scenarios. Wolf of Wall Street, and I ain't talking about DiCaprio's. The man predicted markets. He knew it was going to explode. He knew it was making money.
Alethea Health at $2. Is this one of the best buying opportunities right now?
He also predicted the
I think it is.
Bitcoins. That's a big short. Stop acting like a big dork. I'ma get this pod, no
So
lie.
cheap.
I need a big fork. I know about the tactics. The short is making money off the people's back is horseshit. I'm telling you, take caution. Everything is so corporate. I'm trying to make enough money to give to all the poor kids.
Wow, REFG is running up 62%.
We need is life, so stop thinking that all you need is more. And now we here, but our past, yeah, we can't forget. It's time to grow, and you know we getting out of debt.
Cove Ventures at 38 cents, up 29%.
We gon' live all life, but we can all get high. I'ma spread my wings, I'ma feel all
JAGX up 14%.
We gon' fly, we gon' make this money, we gon' live all life, but we can all get high. I'ma spread my wings, I'ma feel all
Take a look at some of the picks that I bought today. See if I'm up or down. Oh, I'm up! Woo! I'm up on my man. Nice! 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 I bought it at 429. It's at 442. Let's go! Let's go! Medman! Strong into the close. Let's go! Medman! Yes! Yes! Join the green, Medman! Let's go! Let's see my other purchase today. AUSA at 96 cents. Let's see. Am I red, green? What are we gonna do? Oh, let's see the Warrants. 76 cents there. And 97. I'm up a penny. Woo!
Especially if you're
I'm up a penny. I'm up a penny. Excuse me. That was funny. WCM.B. Wilmington Capital. Zero volume. SILS. SILS. Give me something with some volume, guys. Silver Scott Minerals up 18%. I like that, but the volume is 20,000 shares. It's almost insignificant. It's almost not even there. You know what I mean? It's not even existing, right? So I got mad FOMO right now. If I was in front of my computer, I'd probably be selling my Medman right now, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna hold on to my Medman because I like it. I like Medman. Look at all the green we found. After all that, look at all the green. All of a sudden, there's a lot of green. Oh, wow, Kira. Finishing strong. 12:30. I'm feeling good about my buys today, guys. I'm feeling good. Bought me some Medman and it's up. Bought me some Australis and it's up. Feeling good. I'm feeling good. Oh, Medman's going down now. Come on, Medman. I should have sold it when I had the chance. It's okay, I'm going to hold it. I like you, Medman. I believe in you, Medman. I'm still up on my trade. I got it at 429. It's at 440. Let's go, Medman. Let's go. Finish strong. Finish in the green. Let's go. 2 minutes, Medman. Let's go. Finish in the green. Let's go. There we go. We're even. I'll take even. I'll take even. Can we take even? Or are we going green? Are we going green, Medman? How are we going to close, Medman? Are we going green? Are we going green? Or are we staying even? Are we going green or are we staying even, Medman? Answer me. We got 2 minutes. Oh, we red. Oh, we even. It's a roller coaster ride in the markets, folks. It's a roller coaster ride in the markets. Will it go green? Will it stay even? Or will it go red? Are you the founder of NetPicks in 96? So yeah, the FOMO is real. I got all kinds of FOMO. Right now, it's about the headshot. It's all about getting that headshot. Here we go, Medman. Go green. 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 Come on, Medman. You can do it. You can do it. Are we finishing even? Are we finishing even? I bought the dip. Are we finishing even? Are we going green or are we going red? The bids are building at 441 on Medman. Come on, Medman, let's go. Boom, we're green! We are in the green! We did it! We did it! We finished green! Woo! Woo! Yeah! We talked that shit out of the red into the fucking green! Holy moly! Oh my goodness! Fucking pumped! Damn! Damn! Wow! My goodness! Wow! There's a war zone out there, guys. You see that? It's a war zone, man. We talked that into the green. Look at that. You see it? It's green. It was red. It just turned green right at the end. That's awesome. See the bloodshed. See the final verdict of the bloodshed. Let's see how much bloodshed we had here. Aurora finished down 3.27%. $8.83 in America. Cannabis growth finished at $57.49, down 3.75%. $42.89 in America, down 4%. The ticker for Choom is CHOO. IGNG finished at 14 cents, up 3.21%. Man, it went to 11 cents. That was the buying opportunity. 11 cents was the buying opportunity.
Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me.
Yeah, SOLR had a day. Solar, Alien, ORD had a day. 17 million shares, up 40%. Wow, that's pretty impressive. That's an impressive day. That's a really good day. I'd call that a good day. What'd you guys call that? AUMN. All right, guys, so we went to the close. It actually didn't finish out that bad. I don't think it was that bad. That as bad as what I thought it was going to be. So it finished kind of pretty strong for some. Not for all, but for some, finished pretty strong. So let's see what tomorrow brings. But obviously it was a red day across the board. Lots of red. But we did see some green as well. And tomorrow's another day, right? Watching the markets is like watching a sports game, except every single day we get to be the person who either wins or loses. So every single day we're competing in the markets with our money. Nothing that matters more than our own money. And we're competing with our money. So I hope for everybody you're winning. I hope for everybody you're watching. Now remember, do your due diligence, do your research, invest in companies because you love them, not because you heard them here on Rich TV Live. We try to bring you the winners. We try to bring them first. I did tell you guys that shipping stocks would do really well today. A lot of those stocks that I talked to you about did do well today. CRMD up 21%, a shipping company. One of the stocks that I gave you guys in advance. Another company that did well is GLBS up 12%. Another stock that I gave you guys in advance. Another shipping company is ESEA, Euroseas up 8%. Another stock that I gave you guys for free. And another one that I told you guys about was Eagle Bulk Shipping, EGLE, up 6%. So as you can see, a lot of these shipping stocks did really well today. So keep them on your radar. Keep them on your watch list. Another one is DCIX, up 3%. A lot of shipping stocks were up today. Keep them on your radar. Keep them on your watch list. Tops, another one I told you guys about, up 3.58%. So do you guys see how even on a red day, a lot of shipping stocks went up? Another one is SSW, up 2.54%. Another one is CMRE, up 1%. These are all shipping stocks. KEX in the green. MATX, shipping stock in the green. All of these shipping stocks. SBLK, shipping stock in the green. So just wanted to show you guys that we picked these in advance if you guys were watching. I hope you were. Hope you guys had a good trading day. I know it was a tough day. Hopefully you guys didn't get hurt too bad. Don't panic. Sell in the red. Don't do that. Buy in the red. You want to buy in the red and you want to sell in the green. Okay? Please, guys, don't panic. Hopefully tomorrow we have a better trading day. It's a lot of green. I'll be back with you guys with the level 2 market depth. I made 2 trades today. Medman, about 3,000 shares at 429. I'm up on that already. Finished in the green. I'm up on that trade. I'm feeling good. I'm going to go see how much I'm up. And I made a trade on AUSA. And I bought that at 96 cents. We're at 97. So, not a bad trading day. It's your boy. And I'm out. Peace.
I'm trying to get the swing of things. You love the green, but you hate the red. It's like you love the sex, but you hate the head. There's no difference. I finish all of your dinners. That mean I'm taking your place. It's no mistake that you are beginners. You miss me, rinse and repeat. It's Rich TV. You miss me, I'm the one, Jet Li. It's time that we get popping now. I ain't never stopping now. You would think I'm floating in the open way. I cop a cloud. You should even shop around. You should buy a pair of boots. Hater, this my stomping ground. This is how the market goes. It's round and round we go. Where it stops, we just don't know. Don't panic, don't panic. Why you spend up all your dough? Just sit back and watch the show. Pray that you'll just strike some gold. Don't panic, don't panic. Market makers are heartbreakers and soft stages. Bring the heat with Kenny just like it's Las Vegas. You hard haters are all fakers. I mob like Don Corleone, another song. I don't pause, baby. I don't panic, I just mix it up like Shaka Khan. You stay tripping on his eyes like a soccer mom. And when it's on, I transform like Decepticon. I can tell your whole future looking at the devil's palm. You're too weak, bro, cause you looking at a 52-week low. These are opportunities to seize, yo. No peace, though. I don't cheat, I just move when I cruise to the G code. Put the limit in, stop it if you have to. This is mathematics for addicts to latch to. Rich TV Live, he a swell guy. He'll teach you how to buy low and to sell high. Yeah, I get money.
Oh, look at that run for Saniva right at the end of the day. Look at that. In the last few minutes, it jumped from 480 to $5. Look at that. Boom. See that? Sneak attack. Saniva.
Why you spend up all your dough? Just sit back and watch the show. Pray that you'll just strike some gold. Don't panic, don't panic.
HVT, little buy right at the end of the day here.
To be done about this. Mr. Attorney, this is what I pay you for. What can I do? Litigation it is. Get the wheels